Hello everyone. Microsoft has added a lot of new features into the Windows 11 24H2. However, among those features, I like some of these small little tweaks, you can say, or small features that I like, which can be handy on the daily tasks that we are doing. So let's go ahead and start them. Firstly, if you go ahead, right click on any file, you will notice that Microsoft has added the label of cut, copy, or rename, share, and delete option. Now, previously this was not available, and mostly, even though I have been using Windows 11 for the past year, I was getting confused with that. So I was using always the shortcut. This is, however, the alternative method which Microsoft has added. This is quite an amazing thing. Okay. Following that, if you go ahead under the compress tool, you'll notice that Microsoft has added the other functionality of zip, 7-zip, tar, and the other additional formats that can be used inside Windows 11. So as you can see here, the archive format, you can see that aside from 7-zip, you can see there are other formats that Microsoft has done. And there is the compression method that you can use to simply go ahead and compress a file. So this is an amazing thing. Now previously, every time all I had to do was download any application from websites where they are providing with in this zip format. All I had to do was use WinRAR or 7-zip. Now that Microsoft has added this feature into the Windows, I won't be needing those anymore. So hands off to you, Microsoft. The other small and quick setting that Microsoft has added is available in the quick settings. So if you go ahead, click on the icon, you will notice that there is a little bit difference, and the difference is because of these three icons, and these three icons are used for the scrolling. It means Microsoft is going to add a lot more quick settings inside this specific panel. Now this is a handy feature. At the moment, users are not able to add their own tweaks or their own quick settings here. However, I'm hoping that Microsoft should allow users to manually add their own settings in the quick settings page. So this is also quite a handy feature. If you need to enable live caption, you can just simply go ahead, click on that. It's going to enable that. As simple as that, right? The other small tweak that Microsoft has added is Energy Saver. Now, Energy Saver is really a handy feature, and previously it was only available for the laptop, and this time Microsoft has added this feature inside the Windows 11 for desktop too. So firstly, let's go ahead and open that. Okay, before getting into the details, let me enable the Energy Saver from the quick settings. Now, if you enable it, you will notice that the color is going to change entirely from the taskbar and the settings there. Okay, that has not been applied. Okay, now that has been applied inside this window, so you can see the changes. Okay, let me go ahead and disable that, and that is the icon of the Energy Saver. And you can just simply search for open the settings and search for Energy Saver, customize power settings. So you will notice that currently these are all of the power options available. They are available both for laptop and for desktop. Firstly, you can see on the energy recommendations. If you click on that, you will notice that there are recommended features that you can all you have to do is just simply apply on this, and all of the changes will be applied. First thing. And now if you go ahead into the power mode, you will notice that now you can use it or in the power efficiency or the best performance. Use it any way that you like. Other than that, if you click on screen and timeout options, you will also notice they are available here. This was available in the previous version of the Windows 11. So the most important thing is this Energy Saver. You can just simply go ahead and turn that on. So unfortunately, so far there is not any more details available related to the Energy Saver. Just you can enable or disable it at the moment. That is all the features that Microsoft has added at the moment. And finally, the other feature that I really like is Microsoft adding Sudo experience inside the Windows 11. If you go ahead to the system, go to for developers, and now as you can see, there is the Sudo. If you simply enable that, you will notice that Microsoft is firstly going to give you a warning related to the Sudo. After that, you will notice that it is being enabled. And now users can now go ahead and use the Sudo inside the terminal or CMD as if you are inside a Linux. So you can just simply run any tasks with the CMD, you will not face any type of error as you was facing in the past. So this is the simplest features that Microsoft has added into the Windows 11, and I really like them. Let me know also if these are some of the features that you were looking for, or if these features are really handy or no in the comment section. For now, have a nice day, goodbye, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.